In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the new Mermaid feature in Notion. Start by opening Notion in your browser and going to the page where you want to add your diagram. This is important because Mermaid diagrams are inserted directly into a Notion page, just like other content blocks. Once you're on the correct page, click anywhere in an empty area so your cursor is active. If you're working inside an existing document, make sure you click on a new line where you want the diagram to appear. Now type /mermaid. Notion will open the block menu and show matching options. Look for the option labeled Code Mermaid, then click it. This creates a Mermaid block, which is where you'll paste or write the diagram code. At this point, you should see a new code area appear on the page. This block is designed specifically for Mermaid syntax, which is the text-based language Notion uses to generate diagrams like flowcharts, sequence diagrams, and pie charts. Next, click inside that Mermaid block and type or paste your Mermaid code. For example, if you're creating a simple flowchart, you can paste Mermaid syntax directly into the box. As soon as the code is valid, Notion should render the diagram for you. If nothing appears, the most common reason is a small syntax error in the code. Double-check spelling, symbols, and spacing, because Mermaid code needs to follow the correct format to display properly. If you're copying code from another source, make sure you copied the full snippet and didn't miss the first line that defines the diagram type. If you're not sure how to write Mermaid code from scratch, you can generate it using a search engine or another tool by asking for something like a Mermaid flowchart, Mermaid pie chart, or Mermaid sequence diagram. Then paste that code into the Notion Mermaid block and let Notion render it. From here, you can edit the code anytime by clicking back into the block and updating the text. This is useful because Mermaid diagrams are easier to maintain than manually drawn diagrams. If you need to change labels, steps, or connections, you can simply update the code instead of rebuilding the whole graphic. One helpful thing to keep in mind is that the exact appearance may vary slightly depending on your Notion version or workspace setup, but the basic process is the same. Open the page, type /mermaid, choose Code Mermaid, and paste invalid Mermaid syntax. And that's how you use the new Mermaid feature in Notion. Thanks for watching.